Have you ever wanted to learn a new skill at your own pace? Welcome to the fascinating world of online learning, a realm that redefines the traditional boundaries of education. This innovative platform offers an array of benefits that make it a compelling choice for many. The flexibility it provides allows you to learn whenever and wherever you want. With its affordability, quality education is no longer a luxury, but a right that everyone can enjoy. It offers a vast variety of courses, from graphic design to coding, photography, and even language learning. You can learn at your own pace, meaning no more pressure to keep up with the class. And the best part? Location is no longer a barrier. You can learn from the best in the field, no matter where they are in the world. It's a gateway to continuous learning and skill development. It's never too late to start learning something new. The question is, where do you start? Two of the most popular platforms where you can kickstart your learning journey are Udemy and Skillshare. Let's begin with Udemy. Udemy is a global marketplace for learning and teaching. It boasts a vast range of courses, over 150,000 to be precise. From coding to salsa dancing, there's a course for almost anything you can think of. What sets Udemy apart is the expertise of its instructors. They are professionals who are passionate about sharing their knowledge and helping you reach your goals. Udemy operates on a pay-per-course model, meaning you only pay for the courses that you want to take. This is a great option if you're interested in a specific topic and want to dive deep into it. On the other hand, we have Skillshare. Skillshare is a learning community that offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people on topics including illustration, design, photography, video, freelancing, and more. Unlike Udemy, Skillshare operates on a subscription-based model. You pay a monthly or annual fee and get unlimited access to all the courses on the platform. This is a great option if you're a lifelong learner and want to explore a variety of topics at your own pace. Both Udemy and Skillshare are easily accessible. You can learn on your own schedule, at your own pace, and from any device. This means you can learn a new skill while on your lunch break, during your commute, or even in the comfort of your own home. Moreover, both platforms offer a combination of video lessons, class projects, and a community of learners to support your learning journey. They both also offer certificates upon course completion that you can share with your professional network or potential employers. To sum it up, Udemy and Skillshare have democratized education. They have made learning accessible, affordable, and fun. Whether you want to advance in your career, start a new hobby, or simply learn something new, these platforms have got you covered. With these platforms, the world of knowledge is just a click away. Now that you know where to start, it's time to explore the possibilities that online courses offer. The world of online learning is vast, with limitless options. Whether you're looking to develop new skills, enhance your existing ones, or simply learn something for fun, there's a course for you. Maybe you're captivated by the art of capturing moments and wish to delve into photography, or perhaps the intricate world of coding has piqued your interest. You might be fascinated by the power of design and want to master graphic design. Or you could be a globetrotter at heart, eager to learn new languages. Whatever your passion, there's a course waiting for you. Online courses aren't just about professional development. They're also about personal growth, exploring new horizons, and indulging in your interests. From hobbyist courses to advanced professional training, the virtual classroom caters to everyone. The beauty of online learning is that you can tailor it to your needs. Choose a course that intrigues you, stimulates your curiosity, and propels you towards your goals. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of online learning? It's time to unleash your curiosity and tap into a world of endless knowledge and skills. Imagine being able to master a new language, dive into the depths of coding, or create stunning graphic designs, all from the comfort of your own home. The potential benefits of online learning are vast, and the opportunities are limitless. Whether you're seeking to expand your horizons, enhance your career prospects, or simply indulge in a hobby, online courses and tutorials are your gateway to growth. With platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, you have the world's knowledge at your fingertips. Don't let any doubts or fears hold you back. Remember, it's never too late to learn something new. Every journey begins with a single step, and your first step could be just a click away. Remember, the key to success is to start before you are ready. Happy learning!